Hi, graduates. I am honored to present the second Peer Recognition Award to a student who I have had the pleasure of knowing given his consistently strong presence within the data science department since day one, and that student is Advitya Jemawat. Given that this is a peer recognition award, I believe his classmates described his contributions best when they said, Advitya has been a leader in the data science department and continues contributing to the community. The impacts and achievements he has accomplished have inspired newer cohorts of data science students to try out new and different things in their academic and career development. Advitya is hardworking and loves to help other people. He's a dedicated student and a good person. His papers, like Cerebro, have received recognition from top conferences as well as companies like VMware, where he became one of the world's youngest contributors of a top-level Apache software project. He has played a key role in pushing the state-of-the-art forward for all of humanity through his brilliant work in pioneering deep learning model selection and RDBMSs with novel algorithmic optimizations and at-width petabyte scale volumes of data. All of this at an age of barely 20 years old. I can only imagine how much more impactful his research and industry work will be in the next 20 years to come. And lastly, I think Advitya Jemawat genuinely might be the best data scientist UCSD has produced since DJ Patel. Starting this summer, Advitya will be a machine learning research engineer at the Nerd AI Research Center at Microsoft, located next to MIT in Cambridge, Massachusetts. We are so proud of the work he has already done, and personally, I can't wait to see the impact he will continue to make as an alumnus of the Halıcıoğlu Data Science Institute. Congratulations, Advitya.
And our final award presenters today will be Arun Kumar, who is our assistant professor and HDSI faculty fellow, as well as Bradley Wojtek, associate professor and HDSI founding faculty fellow.
Thanks for the introduction, Bobby. And thank you all for the amazing work that you have done, and congratulations to all the graduates and all the class of 2021. It's been a real honor teaching all of you, interacting with all of you, and working with all of you. So I've been asked to present this award, which is the Halıcıoğlu Data Science Institute Undergraduate Scholarship Project Award. This award recognizes a graduating student from the HDSI Undergraduate Scholarship Program whose participation and research within the program has positively contributed to the data science community at UC San Diego. So in that sense, this is, I guess, a doubly selective award because the scholarship itself was a competitive process. And so there was a small cohort that Brad and others selected, and then here there's recipients of this award from this. And there are two recipients today. I'm presenting the first one, and the first one happens to be Advitya Jemawat again. So congrats, Advitya. And I'm really proud to be able to present this because I have been his project advisor mentor for the last two and a half years now. And Advitya has been doing phenomenal work in research and in transitioning research to practice. And Maggie already did a lot of the groundwork for me. So thank you, Maggie, by reading out stuff that I was also planning to read out. But I've linked the stuff over there, the paper, the top conference paper that Advitya helped contribute to. And that's a big system that we're building at UC San Diego. And then he interned at VMware, pivotal database division, the analytics division of VMware, and they actually shipped a product based on this. It's been open sourced as part of the MADlib library, which is like a popular library for machine learning on database resident data. And so he was invited to write a blog post over there. I don't think it has ever happened before in VMware's history where there was an undergraduate researcher, and it's extremely rare, even in the software industry, for an undergraduate researcher to actually write a blog post for the company's product blog. And so it's also extremely rare for an undergraduate researcher to be a co-author of a top conference paper in the database area. So Advitya has been accomplishing all this over the last 2.5 years, and he's been doing really well. He reached out to me early on after visiting my lab for, I think, an open house tour of some sort. And this was 2.5 years ago, so I don't remember much of that, but he was very persistent in learning about all the new things, advanced stuff, advanced tools. We're talking deep learning tools, database systems, Spark, cloud computing, so many things that he has picked up right from when he was a sophomore. So kudos to you, Advitya, again. And He is now headed off to actually a research position, I think, a research rotation position at Microsoft, NERD AI program. It's a very selective, highly competitive program, extremely rare for an undergraduate student to be given an offer there. I think that's a testament to Advitya's research maturity and his potential and what he's going to achieve in his career. So I'm really excited for that. So congrats again, Advitya, and congrats to all the students as well.